Toby Talk-A-Lot subscribes to a local phone service that charges a fixed fee of $10 per month and allows him to place as many local phone calls as he likes without any further charge. Let good 1 be an aggregate of commodities other than the local phone use, and let good 2 be local phone use. Measure good 1 on the horizontal axis, good 2 on the vertical axis. On Monday, Toby didn't use the telephone at all. From this, we can conclude that the slope m of his indifference curve at the consumption bundle he chose on Monday was. Okay, so he consumes no calls without any further charge. Okay, so there is no charge for Toby, yet he has not talked a single minute. Okay, on Monday, Toby didn't use the telephone at all. Okay. Okay, so this is good 1 and this is good 2. What is his indifference curve? क्या पूछा? What is the slope of his indifference? Okay, first of all, his budget line. So for him, once he's paid $10 for the phone service, he does not need to pay anything extra. So he can just spend his entire income on good 1. Good 1 is the composite good. So he can spend the entire amount on good 1. So this is the maximum amount of good 1 which he can buy, which is, let's say, capital M. So his budget line will basically look like this. This is going to be his budget line. Okay, because he can consume any amount of good 2. Good 2 is basically phone calls. Okay, so that's his budget line. His indifference curve at the consumption bundle he chose on Monday was, okay, it cannot be positive. It cannot be positive because if it is positive, then one of the goods needs to be bad, which is not the case. It has been established in the problem that he likes more of both the goods. Okay, so it cannot be positive. Okay, so so now what could be the slope? So if it is negative like this, if his indifference curve is negative, okay, then what will happen? If his indifference curve here is negative like this, if his IC is negative like this, then there would be a higher IC which also he can consume and keep going upwards. Okay, so that's also not possible. If that were the case, he would actually be consuming more of this good, right? He would be consuming more of this good. Okay, slope is px upon py. Good 2 is, right, so we didn't use the telephone at all. Good 1 on the horizontal axis, good 2 be local phone use. The consumption bundle he chose on Monday was, if it is 0, so negative slope agar hua uska, so he can consume the higher point on the same budget line. Okay, so ICs will look like this. In this case, he can consume this point. It will be infinity because, yeah, even I am thinking the slope should be infinity, because if the ICs actually look like this, if the ICs are like this, okay, then they should So he cannot do better than this thing. Okay, so the ICs are increasing like this. Suppose he gets no utility out of talking. So if he gets no utility out of talking, then in that situation he cannot go here, so he's okay by consuming either this point or this point. Okay, he does not care between these 2 points. Also from MRS point of view, we can say that py, which is price of good 2, is 0 for him. So MRS, which is equal to px upon py, should be going to infinity because py is basically 0. Okay, so that's why even I think it should be infinity, but they have not given infinity as an option. So what's happening here? It's definitely something else. On Monday, Toby didn't use telephone at all. Okay, the slope m of his indifference curve at the consumption bundle he chose on Monday was. So slope of the indifference curve is MRS. Let's follow another line of thought. Slope of MRS is amount of y, so amount of x willing to exchange for 1 unit of y. Okay, so x in this case is a composite good 1 and y in this case is your phone calls. So MRS 0 means that you're willing to exchange 0 units of good ones for 1 unit of calls. Basically, you're unwilling to, you're keeping y very dear. Yeah, I'm thinking it should be infinity. You should be keeping x as the deared good. Here you are getting 0 units of x for 1 unit of y. Okay, so you're basically holding your y as more precious, whereas you should be keeping your x as more precious. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Let's keep this for later discussion. I'll think about it, maybe talk with some of my friends about it and then come back to you. Okay, let's leave it for now. Next out,